I have lost all hope in humanity. I was on the internet and I saw this. What? Okay. Just a few questions here, okay? I was watching Cinema Sins, okay? And that led me to watching music video sins. And then oh my gosh, I'm sick. But I was watching music video sins. And then I was watching that. I was like, oh, it's you know, girls just want to have fun, right? No! No! There's a song called Girls Wanna Have Fun. Not just, but it's a song with this girl that I don't even know who Sophia is. I'm not sure. Anyway, she's walking around. Okay, this is. It's in case you haven't seen it, I'll put the link in the description. It's a music video with a small girl wearing a tutu driving around in, I think it's a Cadillac, like a big, like, I don't know, it's one of those Power Wheel things that I never had as a kid that I always wanted. But it has like, she's like driving around. I don't know what she thinks. She rides, goes around the whip like PBG. She's just walking next to the car as it goes by, just walking. Yep. Yep. This music video is so. What is going on? She raps. She also raps. See, okay. I don't like Matty B. I respect him. I don't like him. This is just weird. What is this? Look, and then look at this. Look at this. Look at the view counts. No, I don't want to like the video. I don't even want to be near the video. Sure. But thanks, internet. You have completely. I don't understand. Look, I'm sure she is super happy that she followed her, but I don't even like it when artists do this kind of thing. To me, this is dumb, regardless of the age. I don't like music videos. There are very few music videos I actually enjoy. And this is a style that I don't like when it comes to music videos. They're just terrible. That's my opinion. You can take it as you will. But it reminds me of watching Iggy Azalea's Pretty Girls. It was Iggy Azalea and Britney Spears, I think. Yeah. And it was just so like, what am I watching? And it's this, the kids now think this is okay. This is not okay. This is, I don't know what is going, I don't know what's going on in my life. There you go. That's my video for the day. I saw that and had to make a video. You're welcome. Thanks. I weep for humanity.